In this video, we will learn how to add new file in Excel sheet. So let's start this Excel sheet. Normally, people use to create the new file, the shortcut key Control plus N to create the new Excel file. Okay. So here I'm showing you the different way, different tool to even click on it and you can create the new file. So go to the file tab and click on the more and click on the options. Okay, and click on the customize ribbon and click on the here commands not in the ribbon. Okay, then select the any tool here and search here the new file. Enter the N to search the new file. Here the second option, search it. Now this tool add in this tab, so I select here the tab. I already created the pnd take tab. Now I select the C group in this tab and I add here the new file option. Just click on OK. Now in the PND Take tab, the new file tool is added. If you want to create new file, just click on it and new Excel file is created. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.